In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Sheets open to a certain tab. This is really useful when you're working with big spreadsheets that have lots of tabs. Maybe you have a dashboard tab, or a summary, or monthly report tab that you always want people to see first. Instead of hoping they click the right tab, you can actually share a link that opens the sheet directly on that specific tab. Let's walk through how to do this step by step. First, open your Google Sheet in your browser, just like you normally would. Along the bottom, you'll see all your tabs, or sheets, in that file. Click on the tab that you want to become the default view when someone opens your link. For example, if you want everyone to land on a tab called Overview, make sure that tab is selected and active on your screen. This part is important because the link you're about to copy is tied to whichever tab you currently have open. Once that tab is open, move your mouse up to the top of your browser and look at the address bar. This is where the URL for your Google Sheet is displayed. With that specific tab selected, click once on the address bar so the entire URL is highlighted. Then copy it. You can do this using your keyboard shortcut, like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, or by right-clicking and choosing Copy. You don't need to edit or change anything in the URL yourself. Just copy it exactly as it appears. Now that you have this URL copied, you can share it with others. Whenever someone opens this exact link, Google Sheets will load the file and go straight to the tab you had selected when you copied it. They don't have to scroll through the tabs or guess which one to click because the link already points them to the right place. Finally, you can reuse this link anywhere you need quick access to that specific tab. You can bookmark it in your browser so that every time you open the bookmark, you land on that tab. You can paste it into emails when you send the sheet to your team, or drop it into project management tools, chat apps, or documentation. Anywhere you normally share a link, you can use this URL to guide people directly to the tab that matters most. And that's all there is to it. Open the tab you want, copy the URL from your browser, and share or save that link for easy access to that specific tab in your Google Sheet.